Hi guys, today we will see how to delete the data from Firestore. Okay, in previous videos we saw how to get the data from Firestore, and also we saw how to set the data from the Firestore, set the data to the Firestore. Okay, now we will create a button. Now let's see the GUI. Okay, in the CC interface we will see the data as which has been retrieved from the Firestore. Now we'll set a delete button for each row so that we can delete the row and also from the Firestore. Okay, now first let's create an action head. Now we will create an delete row, so delete column. So here is you will see a button with the delete button, but not set an action, any click action to this button. So this is just a button which will do nothing. So now let's write a function to delete the data from Firestore. Then we'll integrate into this table. Here we will use this database variable which is used to connect the to Firestore. Uh, Actually, we have already initiated the connection and saved into the variable called database. So we are using this variable to initiate the connection and also to delete the data from data store. So database dot again collection, which collection we have to mention the collection. Inside is the path. Since the user is in the root path, I mean param collection, so we can directly give the users, and also we have to give a document name to what to delete. So let's say we'll pass this document id into this as an argument to this function. So let's say document id is going to be the argument here, parameter. So I'm passing this parameter here again. So this is again an so it's a delete function. We are calling this delete function, and since this is again a promise, we'll use a then and catch to handle the methods. So now there is a little modification in the read from Firestore function, which I have written this function in the previous video, titled as how to get the data from the Firestore, or how to read the data from the Firestore. So now let's see, in this function what we are going to do is we are going to get the document ID which is already embedded in this object. So let doc ID equal to each doc.id. That's it. So we have got the document ID and we have stored it into a variable called document ID. Now we are going to embed it in this into a delete action button. So now we will give a click event action to this button. This all methods are done in jQuery, so don't get confused. I'll just call this delete from Firestore, and I need to pass this document ID here. So I'm going to do is pass this document ID here. So we have incorporated the document function, delete function, into the with table functions, table row. So let's see. So I'm going to delete the test again to delete. So I got an alert message saying that delete success. So I'm going to refresh it again. I should not see that the fourth row success. It just shows the 3 rows here. So let's say we can delete the row when it actually deletes the data from the Firestore, so that we don't need to refresh it again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give an ID to this table column, row column, so that I can delete the instantly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give an ID to this, like let's say td row underscore with I am passing the document ID to the identifier of this particular row column. So now what I'm going to do is, when it's deleted successfully, I will remove the row from this table. So I know what's the row name. So the row name is td row underscore the document ID. That's it. Now let's see. Okay, I'm deleting this. After this alert, the row should be removed. Yes. No. Sorry. What happened is, actually row is not removed. It removes the delete button because I have appended the ID to the only just the delete column row. That's why column. So I am going to do this ID to overall row. Okay, now there's just 2 data. Let me add some more data. Let's say MNO, PQR, and age is 7. Let me register it. Success. And JKL. Let's say something else like BCB, and age is again 14. Let's register it again. So that should be 4 total rows. Yeah, now I'm going to delete this JKL BCB, delete, and after this the row should be hidden. Yeah, success. I have deleted the row successfully. So make sure you have identified to the whole row, so that when on the delete I have just given the ID of the row to be removed. So this is how we delete the data from the Firestore. To delete the data from the Firestore, what we need is just the document ID and the collection path. That's it. This actually we are to read or edit or delete. Just what you need is to just you have the collection path and document path and what you are going to do with those data. Just that simple. Firestore has made us. So now let's see. I'm going to add something like RTY and something else and age. So there is totally 5 rows here. I'm going to delete 2 rows continuously. The first row and the third row has been deleted. This as deleted. That's it. Just 3 rows are there. Okay. That's all for this video. What I'm going to do is I'll create in the next 2 videos will be coming. One with how to update the data to the Firestore, and the other one with a real-time listener, so that you can add, edit, delete with real-time listeners. So when 2 users are looking at the same pages, is user created or deleted or something else, the another user gets reflection from that Firestore. So let's see how it goes. Thank you. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like or comment or subscribe, and also please click the notification icon so that you can get an instant updates from us. Thank you.